It's taste test time. Today we're trying the Sangria Refresher. I'm so excited to try this. Also, the cups are so cute, but I feel like the large got smaller. Does that make sense to anyone? Okay. I just got a large. Nothing added, nothing changed, but time to try. Ooh. It does taste like sangria, but without the alcohol. What? This is so yummy. It gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, 10 out of 10. Did we think it would get anything less? No. So good. This is like what's on the cup. I think it's actually adorable. But yeah, definitely give this a try. I think next time I get it, I might get some like liquid cane sugar added in it. But overall, it's like really yummy. So not complaining at all whatsoever.